Oh my God. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, sabi ko kahapon, paano ako pipikit sa imagination ko?
Oo.
Tara na, ihiramin ko na lang yung audio na maririnig ko sa PC ko.
Oo.
Since
Man.
hindi na select yung input device ni Elise. Nagde-default back to default Steam input. Oh, parang digital lang na yun. Hindi siya totoong input device. Anyway. So, hindi rinig yung boses mo sa recording pero rinig ka sa akin.
Boses pa naman ni Elise yung nagdadala.
Kaya nga eh.
Daddy!
May invite code 7J.
Mag-stream ba si Dyna?
Ha?
Mag-stream ba si Dyna?
Nasa Epic ako.
Stream?
Stream yata.
Stream? Okay. Sorry.
Para, di ba, may different audio.
Oh.
Pwede
Kasi-
naka-effects
Oo nga no.
yung audio ni Dyna. In post. Tama ba?
7JZ S5.
Saan nalagay yun? Multiplayer?
Online
Sa upper right.
multiplayer?
Sa party. Upper right.
Okay.
Yata.
Join party by in... Ano uli? Sorry.
One moment.
Wow.
7J
Seven.
ZS5.
Saan nilalagay yun, man?
Dun sa party, pag kinlik mo, Pimps, may join by invite code.
What is it again?
7J
J
ZS5.
JZS5.
Yeah.
Join the party.
Yeah. Sige. First mission or patuloy?
Ikaw bala.
Sige. Ganito na lang. Since nasa mission 5 kami out of 7, if ever mag 5, 6, 7 tayo, kung lumagpas pa tayo sa MAO, ulit sa 1. Yeah. Di mauulit mo na yung iba. Okay, lahat naman bago for them. So either hindi naman nagsiskill yung difficulty sa level. So para-paras ng difficulty yan.
Class pala dito.
So preferred character is cosmetic only. Tas mas marami pag kinilik nyo yung other characters. Yan.
Class.
Tas
What the heck is
yung
that?
class, ako fixer, which a type of support. So yan, ma-unlock nyo yung mga bagong skills or passives the more you use the class. The more currency you have.
Nandito yung okay lang mamatay dahil sa lag.
I guess tankier class, maybe? Not
Eh?
sure yung Vanguard, yung drone master maybe? Kasi yung drone niya baka pwede pang tumulong kahit naglalag ka.
I will be Obama.
No.
Obama!
Bro.
Bakit Obama drone master? Drone strike? Gagi.
Change class.
Ayan.
Oh, anong class ko?
So si Elise, Exterminator, Molotov. So susunugin kayo ni Elise.
Oh.
Oh, what the fuck? Stupid Google! Why are you talking to me? Fucking shit. Go away. Okay, ready?
Okay. Ikaw, Pips, anong
Na-choose-
class mo?
Na-choose nyo na yung preferred character. Unlockables and love. Wala kang blue currency. Yellow lang? O di yan. Pwede siyang kunin na. Na-unlock na siya. skins. Yan na yung character mo, Dines. May ano? May red
Beret.
beret.
Oh.
Shirt ka lab, black ka.
Wala daw kasi si Miel. May lock. So, in memory.
Token black guy.
Eto, ayun. Ako pala to. Alisin ko.
I'm about.
Isalak mo muna.
I became.
Nasa customize ka eh. Diyan sa play. Yeah. Okay. Ready when you... Oy, naging token black guys. Ano?
Yeah. Obama.
Kaya pala ba? Kanal. Alright. Sida, ano boss?
I'm ready.
Please don't crash.
Double check ko lang kung nagre-record.
May in-game FPS counter ba to?
I'm not sure pero ano, it works good sa 9070 pag naka-low. Like she gets 80-90 FPS. Hindi. Yan, rinig na. Kumakain.
Jeremy, we're just inside the northern gate. Is the charge set?
Hold enter to skip.
Listen,
Oh,
guys, in case this doesn't work,
Whoa,
Eh.
don't say that shit. It's bad luck.
work.
Uh-oh.
Of course.
Oh
Anong
my
frame
God,
rate mo?
yung ano
I
ko.
don't know.
Wait lang. Settings.
Sige, settings mo na kayo. Settings din ako.
borderless. Blah blah blah. Target display. Blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Hard. Blah blah blah. Tutorial tips. Game. First person. Display.
Naka first person mode kayo?
No.
Hindi ako.
Yeah, kami naka third person din.
Better ba pag first person? More scary?
Sayang yung model at animation for me. I like third person games more now. So one is yung pistol, two yung primary dito. So baliktad.
Ano?
O yung
And
primary?
pistols are silenced. So pag silenced, di nyo ma-aggro agad yun.
I-delay ba yung swapping or it's just me?
Just you, I guess. Pero yung
Oh,
ping mo,
no.
Pimps, is good. Your ping and tab is 55. So para sa ping.
Get to the tanker before.
Oh.
This will be over before it starts.
Should be good. Unless may pocket loss ka. May friendly fire dito.
Ano
Ah!
pala?
Oh, no.
Muntik mo ba akong barilin?
Ako yung ano, di ba? It's like slow reaction time.
Oh shit, she did. I need to help my wife.
Sige, I'm ready.
Kasi di ka nag-aantay, wait lang.
Cool naman ako sa mga Philip is the point person. Early detection.
Tara, get your guns.
What?
Kahit di na silence.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Alright. Wala na. Ay, okay, meron pa. Ayan o.
Watch out.
Alright.
Ah.
I've got eyes on the tanker.
Up. Jumper. Nice one.
Jumper?
Ay,
Reach?
matik ba tong
Oh
si
my
John?
God.
Reach.
Oh my God.
Punta tayo dun sa reach part while shooting.
Okay. Okay. Okay, zombie pala tong mga to. Aha. Aha.
Tara.
Reach.
Oo nga,
Ay,
wala
nga,
si
no?
Roz. Okay na yan. Ayun o, zombies
Wala
incoming.
nag-heal.
That's my junk.
Shotgun kasi.
Ang nakakasilaw naman yung araw.
Oo nga eh. Watalon. Yung drone mo may stun yan.
Oh, automatics.
Yeah. It's
Oh.
good. But I'm not sure pala kung automatic. Hindi ko pa nagamit. Oh, walang daan dito. Doon pala.
Interact. Interact.
Activate the pump. Uy, may items dito.
Flowing. Fall back to your position
Kunin,
on the wall.
ayan, puro to number 3 Kunin nyo to.
Oh my God, may
Ito,
zombie.
tertiary weapon. Pang 3, number 3. Mas malakas pero limited ammo.
Machine gun.
At saka yung auto shotgun. Kunin mo, Dines, sa likod.
Aha. Uy, sa gilid mo.
Okay, gulat ako. Oh shit, I'm stuck.
Yung melee at may friendly fire din.
Walang friendly fire sa melee.
Oh, safe to hack.
Yeah.
Where?
We need you.
Dito, may reach.
Saan yung reach? Dito daw. Hindi ko makita. Ayun kay Dinah.
Meron
Oh
mga
my
basic
God.
maneuvers dito. Rolling, jumping.
Hindi ba ang ingay ko?
Wala yan, lahat kami ano na.
Aha.
Wala pa.
Magpapalit
Wala lang
ako
tayong
next
medkit.
time.
Yeah, for some reason pinapabalik tayo. Ang gulo
Ano
nga.
nga
eh.
eh.
Shambo.
Assemble.
Hindi. May pinulot kasi doon tayo. Yung inactivate ni Dinah ba yun o ni Pimps? I guess may
Oo.
kinalaman dito. Baka. Ayan, binuksan ko na. Let's go.
I'm Bastata.
Akit dito guys. Let's go.
Ay.
Oh, we have some friends here.
Oh, my
We have
friends.
28 seconds to defend the area. Refill kayo ng ammo sa pining ko. Ito, healing love oh. Mag-heal ka na dito.
Refill
And-
quadrocopter.
And then, i-deploy nyo yung mga deployables. May mga deployables dito.
Okay.
Pick up my...
So for instance, eto, high voltage grid. Oh shit. So, ano bali to magde-defend tayo ng isang area.
Garrett, but that's a gorgeous sunset.
So you need
Oh
to
my
deploy the deployables. Kasi may wave of zombies na darating. Eto oh.
Oh,
Okay.
Ito yung mga deployables. Yung mga naka-yellow.
Oh,
Like,
Oh.
get it and put it on the floor.
floor, floor.
Yung mga may ano.
Okay, kayo na lang gumawa na. I don't know what I'm doing.
Naglagay ako ng medkit dito.
Mortar
HOT siya.
defense.
ha?
Love, ii mo to. Love, ii mo yung nasa sahig.
Huh?
Okay.
How do you use the mortar?
Naka pre-aim yan. So, ii mo lang. Ito yung healing
Oh my God.
bandages na sa
Oh my
likod
God.
nyo, ha?
Ang dami na dito sa may south.
South ng, wait lang. Inakyat na tayo dito. May machine gun doon. I will man the machine gun. Pa-defend na lang.
Okay.
Ipa-defend ako.
Okay. Oo nga pala, may friendly fire.
Wala na sa harap.
Andito,
Wait lang.
Oh,
Pag may medkit ako ulit.
andito sa may south area. Okay, wait.
It's a
Machine gun?
Yeah,
Oh my God,
nandun
I'm
si
gonna die.
Dine.
got one on the ground. Take out this creep.
Oh! I don't know what this is.
Low health ako. Si Dinah nasusunog. Pinasabog ka ng asawa ko, no? Maapoy ka pa eh. Alam ko kung sino. Maapoy-apoy pa.
Machine gun. Fuck you, bitch.
My charger, big guy. Na-stun. Shoot him. Oh shit,
Oh my God.
I'm dead.
How do I do that? How do I stop it?
Yeah, it's fine.
No!
Love, ikaw na lang at saka si Yopi.
Medkit.
Get your ammo back.
What? Medkit don't work? No. My
Dead? You're a zombie na.
Oh no, I'm a zombie.
Obama, nag-go down.
I'm dead forever?
No, may countdown yan. Pero I think wipe na to. Like,
Respawn in 30 seconds.
There are too many!
boom.
Oh my god! I can...
I think we're all dead.
Kinakain na ako!
Hindi, meron akong ano. May gas ako. I have
20,
gas.
19, 17.
Pick up medkit. Ako yung nag-pick up. Applying heal on blueberry. Okay, love. Nasaan sila?
Okay, I'm alive. Oh, run away. Run away.
Tara, interact pala dito, oh. Oh, sorry, Pims.
Okay.
Level. Nasunod mo sarili mo. Wait lang, I can go there. Shit, Pims, help!
Ah! No! I'm also down.
No! We lost. Sabay tayo na down.
They're coming up through the sewer tunnels.
Everyone has the
30 seconds lang yung prep time. Yeah, hindi nagbaba. Okay lang, first
Okay.
round. So, bale, yung pagsabi ko yung may countdown, prep stuff, you can loot the map, tapos may mga deployable shit dun like,
Oh.
ano siya, parang prepare for the wave.
Ooh. Special Slayer.
Tapos,
Keep
pag may
oh.
yellow currency kayo, which is on your upper right corner, for upgrading your class.
Oo. Ah.
Ano yung pang-upgrade ng class.
Sige. Maging ano na lang ako. Medic.
You have a what?
Medic. Tapos, yan. Babae na uli ako.
Nako, Dines.
Babae na uli ako. Appearance.
Fuck, meron pa tong weapon shit dito.
Ayan, na-upgrade din yung weapons. Ready when ready.
Yan.
Sundalo.
Astig, hindi namin kita.
Yung skin,
Oo.
pag nasa game na. Natapunan na naman yung mousepad mo. Hay. Puro na chili con carne yung mousepad niya.
Wow.
Pink chili con carne.
Sige na nga eh. Laban na yan.
Buti na lang washable.
Yeah.
Jeremy, we're just inside the northern gate. Is the charge set?
It is. Listen, guys, in case this doesn't work,
Alright.
Whoa, don't say that shit.
Ready up, soldiers. We have one mission. To reach the reach.
fuel trucks just
To
outside
reach
the
the
town.
reach, to reach the
Make a
reach.
move.
Sara, silence muna tayo para less aggro.
Okay.
Which
Okay.
is pistols.
We've located the tanker.
Zombies at the back. Start it up.
Gago yung mga nasa taas bumaril eh. Activate the pump. Rush na ako dun sa pump. Reach this area daw. Ayan, may pump dyan.
Wala pa, hindi pa.
Sa kabila.
Dito sa kabila. Hindi pala pwede. Okay. Coming.
Hey.
Okay. Ako sa kabila.
Eto may weapon crate. You can good stuff dito.
I always wanted the most.
On me, payload rifle. Walang ibang thing. Pang anti-big guy yan. Kung gusto nyo.
Yan na,
One shot
parating na
niya
sila.
yata yung big guys.
Ito pala sa likod. Ano ba to?
Tertiary yun, no?
Tertiary.
It doesn't get rid of my team. Oh.
Medic pala ako, no?
What?
So yung medic, I'm not sure kung by default mas malakas na yung heals mo.
We need you on that wall.
One hit lang ba yung zombie ang melee?
I think the normal zombies, yeah.
4 para mag-heal.
Ano? Saan dito yung HP bar?
Lower right, the white bars.
Ah, the white
Oh!
ones.
So, ang low health na si Dyna, 1 bar and 1 quarter.
Tapos ako yung healer.
Yeah, heal yourself.
You
Ito
can
na,
heal
may
yourself?
magkaka-timer dito, dali. Yan, 28 seconds. Tapos,
Okay.
ako nagde-deploy na ako ng chuchu.
Mortar,
Get your stuff.
defense, deploy mortar.
Sige, hanapin mo yung
Tapos-
pwede mong ma-deployan. Fixed areas lang yan eh.
Your friends at Nuno have eyes on the swarm. Any second now.
Pwede pumili. Okay.
Wala naman dumadaan ng zombie din sa mortar area na to.
Field baka later waves pa. Oo nga no, ayan oh. Meron doon.
3, 2, 1.
Eventually.
Go!
Moving to the bigger gun.
Boom! Pa rin
Go.
dito.
All that practice paid up.
Spam lang.
Yeah.
Okay,
Na-reduce
dami-
the total
dami na
number.
nasa. Yung mga old style cannon, walang effect na.
Yo, nga eh.
Bullshit.
Yung maakyat dito.
Oh my god.
Ito yung gilid. Ito oh. Sa ping ko. Yan. Nice one, Dines. Go na, lagyan mong molly.
Let's switch to ignite fuse.
You switch to ignite.
Are you dead? Are you dead? Are you alive?
Hindi na ganun yan. Oh,
Loading fresh ammo.
Wait,
wow.
wait,
Saan
I'm
galing yung
coming.
firewall na yun? Yung ignite fuel, yun pala yun, yung kanina. Part ng objective.
No more mortar over here.
Ano sa,
Sa right
sa
side.
may south?
Meron nga
Oh
sa
my God.
gitnang lane. Assemble, yung assemble area, let's go. Run paharap. Come to me. Come to me. Pasok sa smoke na blue para walang aggro. Tapos pwede na kayo lumabas dyan. Like, anti-aggro yan. Tara, hindi kayo aggro yan. Assemble. May kasama nga ang zombie.
Oh, sorry.
Alright.
Wala.
Nice.
Okay, tara, reach.
Oh.
May infector.
I see an infector. There, a Richter.
Low health na si Dines.
Holy
Okay.
shit.
Go, disinfect ka. Saan ka ba? Sa gitna. Mukha kang NPC, love. Diyos ko, kamukha mo.
Kamukha mo.
Oh no. Dami.
Sorry. Nabaril ko siya. Ang sikip dito. Karakyat.
Just milling away. Oh. Wala bang no loots over there?
Oo nga eh. We're looking for,
Nothing.
wala pang resupply. Dito siguro
Pick
sa
up
loob.
breaching charge.
Ayan, kunin mo yan, pimps. Para yan sa mga loot crate later. Lootable areas.
There's one hiding.
There's a stalker.
May zombie.
Kaka.
Lap, may
He's
zombie.
not hiding anymore.
Patay na.
Wala
How do we heal
kayo.
Dinah?
Hindi ko paano ba to?
Oh, zombies! Big guy.
Oh
Get
my
your rifle
god.
out, pimps, for the big guy. Your big rifle.
Oh!
Treasure eye.
Oh my god.
Yun, tulog. Nice one.
Mowing them down.
Ano ba to? Ito ba
Wala
breaching
na akong
charge
ammo.
to?
Ang breaching charge is usually a screamer. Is usually a crate na malaki or a door
Wala
na
na akong amo.
Ayun. Ito, breaching charge ni Yopi.
Meds.
May med kit.
Come on.
Dyna.
Heal that shit.
Okay.
Kunin mo lang para ilagay later yung high voltage.
What the fuck? Naku dito. Oh, si smoking. Oh no, he's smoking. Marijuana. Bababa.
Ba.
I'm dropping down. So meds.
Wala na akong ato.
Wala na akong ammo. Baba kayo dito.
We need to clear this
Ako din.
section. Loading fresh ammo.
Oh my God, ang dami dun, oh.
Wala. Wait lang.
Ay, to. May ano dito. Ammo and shit and med kit.
Throwing a firebomb.
May
How the
ammo.
fuck you kill those
Okay,
guys?
This paid off.
So many.
Give me a sec.
Bigay pimps ah. Di,
There's too many.
shoot him.
Continue.
Oh fuck!
What's that one?
You ran me.
Reloading. Someone pop that gas.
Saan yung ammo? Ayun. I need the ammo na.
Refill ammo.
Electric grid.
Oh god.
Oh my God. May
Oh my God.
sumasabog.
May smoke ako dito.
Oh, I'm dying. I'm dead.
Oh, may
shit.
sumabog.
Tayo mag-heal.
Kill the screamer. Fast.
Shit.
There. I see a second infected.
Applying healing. Alright, but heal plap man, heal myself. Heal myself!
Loading fresh ammo.
Oh no, it's a big dude!
Learn to aim.
Is he still alive? Still alive!
No.
Okay, he's dead. Send him down. Oh no, no, man! Oh no! I'm alive! But there's too many! I can't get to people!
Paano melee?
Oh, wala.
Naglolo ko yung... Yun. Nabuhay pa ako. Joke.
You
Okay, tapos na.
May checkpoint ba ito?
F.
Wala.
No!
Difficulty? Kaya nila yan. Talent na skills na ina-add.
Hindi ba kami talent?
Skip all. Customize. Class. Drone Master.
Oh, pwede na mag-customize ng baril.
Iyo.
Ba yan? May demerits pala.
Yung sa class skills nyo, yung mga per column, isa lang yung pwede nyong piliin.
Ayun.
May slot.
So, isang column, isang slot yun.
Okay. So weapon level 6 shotgun. Okay.
Wait lang, basahin ko. Heavy stride, claymore mines. Hindi mo siya pinili, wala kang claymore mines. I think nandito yung claymore mines sa iba.
Paano pag kunyari ayaw ko na maging medic? Pwede kong i-respect?
Yung nabigay mo sa medic, nasa medic na. Hindi mo na mababawi. I think. Yeah. Kasi binili mo na siya using your yellow.
Okay.
Yung meron
Semi
yan.
CR break.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi kung si Roz, medic. Eh di hindi ba pag kunyari tayong apat maglalaro, doble
Oo.
kami.
Yeah, double kayo.
So baka sa iba ko ilagay. Vanguard?
Pwede.
Ikaw, gunslinger.
And ano ako,
An-
fixer.
Fixer? Oh. Si Elise yung exterminator.
Exterminator. Wait lang, hanapin ko lang. Meron yan ng ano dito eh.
Okay. Ito na lang siguro, gunslinger. Paano to?
Dami ng chili con carne, promise, nung mousepad niya. Kada
Paano
subo isang,
i-upgrade?
ano yung
Itong
kailangan niya?
chicken carne yan or...
Yung ano, chili con carne
Euphemism.
na, chili con carne siya ng ano, totoo, yung sa Wendy's. Ito pala labo, start with a combat shotgun. Mas maganda yung siya. Pero matatanggal yung increased HP mo. Pero mas maganda yung starting shotgun mo. Less HP. Or hindi, start with a assault rifle, yung automatic na barrel, tatatad. Armalite or shotgun. Kung ayaw mo sa reload, hindi ka matutuwa sa shotgun. Ano ba mas gusto mo?
Weird voice changer.
Feeling ko mas cool yung assault rifle. Oo nga, no. Kaso upgraded mo yung shotgun. So, ito na lang.
Clear.
Yes?
Change na yung voice ko.
May
Oh,
voice changer
astig.
ka? Kaya pala.
Let me be clear. America. Wala.
Eh, naunod lang ko, sabi ko, ha?
Bakit? That's what I sound like.
You sound weird. May accent.
Malinaw ba?
Malinaw po.
Oh,
Astig!
may accent ba?
Oo,
Yeah. Well, I can just stream mob eh.
Wala ko siya maintindihan.
Let's turn it
Pero
around.
start with Claymore, Minefield. Mga nilalagay siya sa sahig na pag lumapit yung zombie sa sabog. Pero wala ka ng Molotov. O, di wag mo na nga siyang kunin. So, okay ka na dyan. Good.
Oh,
Fire yan. So, merang, ang kinuha mo, ito yung bago mo. Alright, ready?
Done pussy too.
Ready.
Parang sound bites yan,
Sound bites,
pimps.
Oo nga, eh.
Yun ang mga post ni Obama.
Say Obama lines.
Yun nga eh. Obama quote. See.
Parang ibang language.
Oo nga, eh.
Ang Tagalog baka nag-iiba na hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin din.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Di niya alam yung gagawin niya.
Mag-English ka na lang.
Wala. Pero ano naman, intindihan niya naman, weird lang yung accent.
Yeah. May foreigner tayong color. Welcome to the Philippines.
Puro zombie dito.
Guys, in case this doesn't work,
Whoa, don't say that shit.
Like, what's the
Good luck.
It's gonna work.
Let's go.
Let's go.
America.
fuel truck's just outside the...
Tingnan ang baril mo lang.
Let's make a move.
Yun to.
Well, well,
Bagong shotgun mo.
I see the tanker. Start filling the trench and run like...
America.
Parang retarded si Vince.
America!
Oo.
Scrap.
Switch ko dito, Dan. Switch mo na lang dyan.
Ano?
Aha.
Sorry.
Interacting.
Kasi hindi ko rin yung mouse scroll down. Yung
Done.
hindi.
Pwede yan, mouse scroll down.
Reloading.
Ma-change ko din eh. Flamethrower. Para mag-ping dito.
T.
Yeah, ping.
Pistol pa kayo.
Ayo.
Dines, mag-ano ka na.
Ano?
Big gun.
Ay. Ito. Oo nga, no? I forgot. Reach for the stars.
Magandang cool Sky Voltage Grid Defense Kit.
Yeah, get it. The high voltage defense kit.
You don't like flamethrower?
I'll get it. Sige. Meron ka
Nice,
nang
salamat
nasa
po.
likod mo?
Flamethrower di kapitan. Pa. I'm running. I'm sorry.
Depending on you to defend that wall.
Hala,
Wala.
si Plepman.
Kinuha ko yung...
Naiwan.
I'm going
Iniwan
to
si Plepman.
Saan ka na ba dito? Oh no. Good stuff. No, don't let you. We're
I see you. Assemble. Avengers.
Avengers, assemble.
Mars, assemble.
Special needs.
Specials.
Lagay nyo na yung high voltage chucho nyo.
Which way?
Haha.
High voltage.
Deploy.
Yan, deploy mo.
Reloading.
Tama ba? Or nakapato
Yeah.
sa wrong place?
Okay na yan. Good place.
Mortar.
You can see your car left up
Ayan na, parating na sila. Mortar, get ready sa mga mortars.
then position.
And mga machine gun. Ano,
Hala!
bakit?
Okay.
Pwede yan, first time mo ba mag-mortar?
Okay.
Okay. Machine guns, go, machine guns.
So, gusto mo itong mortar
Mowing them
nakatambay.
down.
Yan, naubos din yan.
Oh, nasa ay isip tala. Oh,
Angry bastard?
Loading fresh ammo.
Big guy?
where?
I'm not
Sorry.
sure. Narinig ko lang yung audio from... Ito, sa harap ko.
Did I shoot you? Oh no, that's your.
Okay.
Thanks.
Ned. Very good.
Interact.
Got it. Let the motherfucker burn.
May medkit ba tayo? Wala, no?
Ako. Plepman, healing.
Thank you.
Reloading.
Yun, nahil ka rin.
Hindi
Thanks.
na release yung ammo.
Thank you.
Nasa likod natin. Yung main entrance. Yung assemble. Tabi lahat sa akin. Magpapap ako ng blue grenade. Tabi sa akin lahat.
Aha.
Love. Tabi na, dito. Tara, let's run to the assemble.
Assemble.
Para,
Ayan
wala
na.
na.
Oh my god.
I-ignore
Wala.
nila tayo pag may blue. I-ignore nila
okay.
tayo pag blue pa yung screen nyo. As long as blue pa yung screen nyo. Pero kung hindi na blue, hindi na kayo
Okay.
ignore.
Lander yan, what?
Bye guys. Okay.
For one RPG.
RPG. Wait, baka may loot dito.
Oh my god. Oh my
Yun,
god.
breaching charge. Big guy.
Okay.
We gotta
What? Oh, you're. See, we do slash at that. Monster. Oh, no, he's not.
Oh, gago.
And we alive. We're dead.
Way too close.
Don't shoot
Oh.
me.
We need you to check the sewer tunnels.
Need meds.
Ginamit niya na sa akin.
Oh. Hanap ako medkit ulit.
Hey.
Tara, pasok dito. Ay, baka may loot dito. Check nyo muna.
Tutut.
Ito, may revolver na maganda. Molotov refill. Molotov refill. Big guy, big guy.
Ayan o. Oh, ano na yun.
Poke mo. Likod?
Hindi, pwedeng barilin yung likod niya para mas,
Okay.
mas damage. Mas weak spot niya.
I'm going reading dudes.
Big, many dudes.
Oh my god! I am down.
Yeah, papunta ako sa'yo.
I'm going to roll. No.
to help.
Getting you up. Wait lang.
Up, and we're going. Okay, I'm back in the fight.
Tara,
Yeah,
let's
yes.
proceed.
Free what the fuck to Crap.
Puro tayo low health. Up, ingat sa friendly fire. Meron na ba?
Open crate.
Ibi-breach ko to. May breaching. Sa next ka, may zombies na. Punta sa blue, para hindi mamatay. May medkit dito, Dine, sa loob.
Aha.
Looks like you need this.
Si Dine na nang ipahil mo. Baka nagdoble kayo ng heal, ah.
I feel
Hindi.
May medkit pa sa sahig.
Okay.
Yan, barilin mo pa yung infector. Di pa tapos yung na-stun ni Pimps.
reloading.
Ah, sinastan niya yung mga special zombies.
Take out the
May
head.
screamer sa taas. Kailangan natin umalis.
So, what do you think of sound?
Tara, alis. May screamer. Mag-E ka, hold E pag na-infect. Hold E.
Okay.
I'm down. I'm
Pasok.
down upside down. I'm down
Si
upside. In the.
Hinil ko si
I know I'm
Pimps.
gonna
Tara, may zombies dito sa kabila. Refill. I need ammo din.
Ammo.
Ano yung ammo dito? Gago na wala.
What?
Ha? Nawala. Dito yan eh.
Ang daming
Grabe.
kalaban.
Oh
Ay, nandito,
my
nandito yung-
gosh.
nandito yung ammo, nandito.
Nandito.
I'm gonna.
May bull charging.
Okay.
All that practice paid off.
Saan yung bull?
Bull?
Love, alis ka dyan. Puro kamili.
I see a
Yung kuryente hindi tayo papagpeba.
Hindi. Immune tayo sa kuryente. Big guy.
I'm down. I'm dead. I'm dead yata.
Saan ka?
I'm dead.
Where?
I don't know. It says.
No!
I don't know. Some reason. Where's not my bunker? I don't know where my bunker is. You can permit.
Where did that Fio die?
Asan ka, Pip?
Diyan na din nag-switch character yung camera for then no. Baka permit din.
Baka na-infect ka, Pio.
Baka ganun bro.
Kasi pag may infector, tas hindi mo na-hold yung E to disinfect yourself, parang channeling, you're insta-killed and become a zombie.
Secondary ka.
Yun, pwede na mag-customize.
Don't
ng
use chainsaw as better than that.
Ay, maka-customize din ako. Wait lang. I will get...
America. Ano? Wala.
Ayaw mo na yung ano? Improved shotgun? Alright.
Bakit ba yung normal scout? The scout rifles.
I like the horse scout rifle ako. That's my favorite. In-upgrade ko
Oh.
level 5. Level 5 name starter ko. So by the way, yung mga items na mga items na nalulot nyo, may
Oo.
white bars siya. May white bars siya. Ba't parang nag-feedback? Ano ba yun? Hello?
Hello?
Bakit terus ano?
Hindi, yung
White
voice
Mars
ko,
of Tyrion?
nag-ano,
Kano?
nagvo-voice mode.
Voice mod? Adi?
Hindi ba? Ako yung nagvo-voice mode.
Voice mod.
Hello?
Kay Pibbs.
Oh,
Sa ba? Nag-voice
Hello.
mod yung sa yung...
oh.
Nag-feedback tapos nag-voice mod ka?
Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
Yan mga... I'll try Joe Biden na lang. Ako masakit si Joe Biden.
Voice mode.
Hoy.
Voice
White.
mode.
Meron?
From my end, naririnig ko yung... Narinig mo rin?
Alert ba na?
Okay.
No, this is not
Ako
him.
pala yun.
Ano yun?
Ako pala yun.
Okay.
Test. Test. Okay. Lights ready.
Ay, sorry.
Jam the
Oo nga
start.
pala, magre-ready.
Ay, may countdown na rin pala. Oo, ano.
Why? I did little.
So, yung weapons na nalulot nyo, meron
Yeah.
siyang white bars
Which
from one...
means...
Puta. Yung rarity, o yung ano niya, tier.
Here.
Ah.
1 to 3. So, 1, 2, 3 bars.
Weapons that did you there? No.
Weapons, depende. Primary, secondary. Pero yung tertiary, walang rarity.
Northern gate.
Ah.
It is.
It's gone.
Listen, guys, in case this doesn't
Let's go.
Let's go.
Got this.
your truck's just outside the fence.
Why not? But do my roll? How did you roll?
From falling from heights.
How long?
Eyes on the tanker.
Fuel pump is at the back.
Point top.
Oh, si Dinah.
Aray! Oh my God! Gigil siya sa akin, man.
Gago, di kita makita.
The fuck?
Nasa loob ka pala.
Nilagay ako sa loob.
Kaya di ko mabaril. Gago, Darns. Paano kita isa-save?
Nagigil siya
Sa
sa
loob, sa
akin.
ilalim siya ng truck. Go, pimps. Help her.
What do you press?
E. Pero nag-bug. Let her die.
I'm so ready.
Lang following curling animation when you're yung wala na.
Wala
Sahan,
eh.
leave her be.
No.
She won't survive.
Yung ano,
Rifle.
ragdoll.
Go, go.
Pump is activated. Trench is
Keep my
filling.
spool.
Tara, Dinah will follow.
Get to the top of the wall.
Down
Get it.
this punch.
Get it and run.
There. On top the wall. Huh? Right.
Likod lab.
Honey, we wait for 25 seconds kasi mas safe dito. And then,
Aha.
good fit me.
Ilang seconds pa si Diane?
14, 13, 12. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Tara, nandun na si Dines. Sa taas si Dines. Wait lang.
Why are you not on that wall?
I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Baba na, baba na. Run, go, run, run.
Right.
Unite!
Okay.
Assemble!
Yeah.
Get stuff, deployables, deployables.
That's where he's
Oh shit.
low voltage free.
Get stuff, get stuff.
I got to.
Oh shit, I need help. Patay ako.
Ah! Medkit, medkit!
Any second now.
Yeah. Ito
Wala
to.
pa.
Wait up.
Patay kami pareha.
Okay, I'm coming!
Nakapistol ka kasi, Pin.
The gun defend yourself if you're ever a pistol. What the fuck?
What the fuck, man? Too old for this. Oh!
Oh my God! Ano ba yun? What the fuck?
Putal mo kami! Love, patay mo yung jumper! Ikaw next year ka!
Bato pouncer to dito jumper.
Ikaw ang ingat ka!
Bakit sa tayo? Huwag kami yung minit.
Okay na, na-up ko na.
Thank you.
May zombies. Oh shit! Huwag ako!
Oh my God, ako yung sumabog. Dat pala pag ganun, hindi lalapitan.
Wala na akong HP.
Ano? Down again.
Wala, patay tayo. Dahil
What if
I'm gonna get you.
You can defend
Ayun.
yourself. Pag yun naman ka na, don't come back there. Ano ba yun?
Wait,
Disinfect? Correct.
disinfect tayo, disinfect tayo.
I'm dead.
You're a zombie.
Ano lang,
Yung medkit kailangan mapuntahan.
meron ako.
Ito na, nag-self medkit na ako. Nag-self na ako.
I will be birds.
I think we need to defend the position pa with guns.
Ay, oh my God, nakaano pala ako. Wala na pala ako. God. Oh my God.
Seven Dines.
No!
Oh shit, bigay sa akin love. Love, sa akin. Sa akin love.
Bird.
Ayan ako.
Bird.
Nakabasuka ka. Dapat di binasuka mo.
I will down. 7, 6, 5,
Palalo yung inisa-isa kayo ng ano.
3,
Inisa-isa kayo ng jumper.
Where is he?
Nabuhay pa si Pimps. Gago. Kaya mo pang buhayin sila.
Alright, na.
Wala kaming maintindihan sa'yo, Pimps.
Gusto may... Absolute...
Oh shit!
No. Bilang na. Pagdating ka sa zombie, what they do? What they press?
T.
T?
Napin. Pag napin ka, no, you're GG kung wala kang magliligtas sa'yo.
Ganda ng zombie skilled ko. 9.
Oh, what the fuck, Blights?
Right.
Di ka naman naglalag, Blights.
Right.
Hindi.
Bad trip lang.
Kasi ano,
Yan.
ganyan yung kills ni Mena nung
And,
naglalag siya.
Oh, parang hindi naman.
So legit mo yun.
Legit ko
May
yun.
landmon ba to? Virtual land.
Bakasan ko yung difficulty, gawin kong ano, gawin kong 2. Pimps, balik mo na, di ka namin maintindihan. Sayang boses mo.
Yes, easy. Where's this?
Ayun.
Burr.
Yaw, hindi ka pa rin maintindihan, pero ikaw na yan.
Number.
Ambay.
Alright, change character lang ako to my generic white guy. White, black,
Okay.
love.
Class.
Yan ka, sino ka? between every match nagko-customize ng character. Alright. So ano na to, normal difficulty.
Mas useful ba yung stun compared sa healing ng drone?
Arguable kasi yung stun is good for special, like yun nga pag may mga bigay. Pero since pwedeng heal pag ano, lalo since hindi pa maraming
Infinite healing ba yan? It's like,
ano ba yung description kasi may dalawang klaseng heal. May heal na talagang nire-recover yung
temporary
HP.
daw? Temporary.
Yeah, temporary is like a shield. So yun yung yellow sa HP bar. Pag yung HP bar nyo may yellow, that's your shield.
We're just inside the northern gate. Is the charge set?
It is.
Baka
Magbibilang na sila.
mag-customize within
Guys,
the
doesn't
thing?
work.
Whoa, don't say that.
Within the
It's bad luck.
within the game?
Yeah.
Shut up,
When
man.
nag-lahat na
I'm
sila amin na.
serious.
Pre-game lang.
Oh.
It's gonna work.
Yeah. That would be cool nga. No, halfway palit.
Yeah.
Fuel truck's just outside the fence. Let's make a moat.
Wait ko lang sila. Look at my gun!
Wow. Gusto ko na din magkaroon ng magandang baril.
Alright, yan na siya. Let's go.
Zombie pervert.
Let's go. Ay! Bakit lagi ako nare-rape? Babes.
You wanted it sa damit mo.
Papalit
You
na
asked
akong
for it.
character.
Gago.
Nagugulat ako.
Bantayan kita ha. Sundan kita. Go. Get your big gun na, Dines. Ay, sorry.
Wait.
Yan.
What?
Sa kabila ako.
Fucking bitch.
O, tara, let's go.
Trench
Huh?
filling.
Loot, tapos let's go na sa reach. May
Saan
zombies
yung
na.
big gun? Ah, ito.
Everybody
Hindi
got
yung
it.
2.
Yung number 2.
Heavy shotty.
Oh my God.
Shotty.
Guys.
Okay. Ayan. Man, makukuha mo rin yung score ni Dine na kanina.
Saving. Saving.
We need you on that wall. Now!
Saan nakikita?
Tab.
Ah, may ganito pala. Kita pala dun yung ping.
Yeah. May ammo refill na dito. Tsaka yung mga deployables.
Automatic turret defense.
We have 20 seconds for... bazooka. Kunin mo na yan.
How do
Meron
you
na
pick
sila,
which... Well, may medkit ako and some other thing. How do you switch
You drop
between the other thing?
You can only get one other thing.
Ah,
Magda-drop yung other thing mo.
deployable may designated area lang.
Ah,
Ah.
Okay, sige.
So deployable is a unique slot. Nag-spawn na yung zombies.
Aha.
Ready.
Ako magmamortar ako dito.
Time for a big gun. Rest in peace.
Kailangan mag-hold ng...
All guns on the ball!
Oh god. Big guy. I think. Is it the big guy?
Paping.
Reloading!
I hear the big guy. Naka-Yopi Pimps, naka-Yopi Pimps. Na-kuryente, na-kuryente. Shoot the back.
Today is a good day.
Kakyat mo yung iba ha. Interact. Sige, I'm going. Wala ba dyan? Dito sa ano ah.
They exist!
Meron na dito sa likod.
Ah,
Yeah, sewers. I can cross my...
Pa-press yung assemble. Ah, papunta na sa assemble.
aha.
Okay.
Ang dali na tuloy.
Throwing a Molotov!
Tara, dito na para magsara na yung gate. Pasok kayo. Friend.
May bago ka ng best friend.
Walker.
It's a ball!
Bull.
Oh
Oh.
my god!
What the fuck? Bitch.
Patay na.
Oo nga no, kanina ang kunat nila eh.
Meron akong breaching charger.
Pick up equipment improving bag.
Hindi yan, hindi. Ah, yan. Anong klaseng... Sige, Paps. Sige.
Thank you.
Ayoko nung guns. Kunin nyo.
Kawa.
Reloading!
Ping nyo, T.
Ayun, okay.
Para matag.
Okay. Thank you.
Malinis na.
Kunti pa dito kay Diana.
Ha?
SMG primary.
You've got to find that bridge. They're flooding in.
Meron ako. Ay! Ha? Na-drop ko. Na-drop. Nasa taas may breaching charge eh.
You don't have a
Oh.
breaching charge.
Wag na. Tara na. Baba na tayo. May zombies na oh.
Oh, may mga naka-color green? Ano to?
We have incursions from multiple tunnels.
Mayroon zombies.
There's too many. We need to clear this.
Kunin mo na. May zombie.
Ako din eh.
Hindi naman tayo pwede makiat.
Hindi na yata. Tara na. Straight ahead. Wala naman tayong mga bawas eh.
Damn lurker.
Fifi.
Oh, big guy!
Kala mo, kaninang kunat mo. Ito na yung star namin.
Bumaba yung star. Yun, nice small lab.
Tagal pala mag-reload nito.
Reload.
That's all of them. Sobra.
Find the bridge.
Find the breach. Free giveaway na to eh. Ang layo ng hard sa normal, no? Kailangan, ito yung ano, para makatikim ng victory, tapos sunod na to hard na ulit.
Sorry.
Daming breaching charge areas na wala tayong pang breach. Grabe, sayang.
Mga tatlo.
Oo. Nasa hard, no? Naiwan sa hard.
What's going on down there? As you dealt with the
What the hell is this?
gonna need to blow the tunnel.
Find
Walang
explosive.
crossbow. Pistol, oh, revolver. Yung big guy. Kaya, kunin ko na tong revolver. Tara,
Sometimes.
tara. Let's jump over, huh? What the heck? Pabalik,
Ano
pabalik.
to?
Dito. Ito yung goal.
Baka
Let's go.
ito? Ah, okay.
Grab that flashlight.
Huh? Ang daming
To?
bullshit.
Go, Dance. Ikaw yung taga-ilaw.
Keep moving.
Ay, gagi.
Check
Labo,
this
upgrade sa shotgun.
out. I'll take it.
Combat
Share the
shotgun.
look.
Shotgun. Ayan, okay na. Nakuha mo na, di ba? Oh, Dance, ikaw taga-ilaw.
Gago.
Ang
Oh my
cool.
God, ang scary. What the fuck?
Tutok mo lang dyan, ha? Ayan.
Cookie mo! Bore! Sorry. Sorry sa tayo pumunta. Wala, ang scary dito! Ang scary!
Uy, nakasunod kami sa iyo. Huwag kang malikot.
I know why. Ito.
Dahil na sa iyo. Ikaw, wala kaming makita pag di mo hinarap.
Ay,
Yan, may ilaw na yung
nag-molly-
molotov.
Nag-molly sila!
Ilaw. Sige, tutok mo lang dyan, ha? Tutok. Huwag ka mauna. Dito ka lang, dyan, yan. Nakasunod. Nandito. Balik ka. Ito. Sige. Slowly. Sunod.
Ano?
Doon pa, kay Yopi. Yan. Sige, slowly.
Dapat ata ako yung nahuhuli.
May daga!
May daga!
May daga! May daga!
Ah, daga!
Tutok ko!
How do I kill it?
Ako na yung dinadaga. Okay na, wala na.
Ko na sa akin yung ilaw. Tumakbo ako, may daga.
Okay, wait lang. Kaliwa dito. Dito yung punta, Dance. Yan, o. Diyan.
Ata nahuhuli ako para may
sige,
ilaw kayo.
Ayan, tutukan mo kami.
Oo, tutukan ko kayo.
Ayan, may bukasan dito.
I'm applying healing to myself. Oh.
Explosive. Pick it up. Why not?
Yes, you.
Doon daw papunta.
To blow the tunnel.
Balik. Hindi, malayo pa yan. Diyan ba? May daanan pala. Okay. Tama. Let's go. Wala kaming makita.
What the hell is this?
Oo
Equipment
nga.
for...
Talaga. Alright, tara ikot. Explosive pa pala.
May naririnig ako.
Tutok mo.
May naririnig ako.
Nakuha na explosives. Tara, sa reach.
Big guy!
May malaki.
Oh, what the fuck?
Shit, di ko kita.
Wala ako.
Oh fuck!
They're everywhere.
Okay, patay na yung big guy.
I'm slashing!
Ang sikip.
It's the fire! Oh no, I'm on fire!
Yeah, may
Tama
friendly
ba?
fire.
I'm on fire!
Busa ng tubig. Wait natin yung fire mawala. Zombies, harap, Dines. Patutok.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm reloading.
This
Okay.
will help.
Kill yourself. No.
I'm
Bakit ako yung hinil mo? Sabi mo,
Lalang kami. Sabi niya, kung nakita mo dahil nagtakip bibig siya, sabi niya, ha?
Possession's close.
We're running out of time.
Ha? Napateamwork ako? Ha?
Wala bang...
Oh, kawawa. Tara sa reach.
Sniper?
sabi niya, guys, heal yourself. Hinil niya ako. Break
Gulat siya
naman ni
eh.
Elise.
Accidental,
Bait
you
ng
know?
asawa mo.
Siyempre, healer yan, kahit di medic.
Have what we need. Let's build the tunnel.
Iyak, ayan nga yung ano eh, si Raz sabi niya, parang never pa ako hinil. Buti pa si Dyna hinihil mo, no?
Oh, may breaching charge!
Oh yeah, get it. Love, may Molotov dito, Molly. Get your mollies. Oh, zombie! Oh! Sige, get your breaching charge. Baka may be-breach tayo on the way back. Bigay!
This time,
Patay agad eh.
Reloading.
keep running. We've got to get to the breach.
Do I blow it up here?
Yeah.
Ito ba yan? Ay, hindi. Saan yung...
Ay, hindi, ayaw
kanina?
na.
Baka on the way back. Shit, wala nga. Lagay nyo na yung breaching nyo. Zombie sa likod feeling ko. Lagay nyo na yung... Ay, sa harap! Pamali ng wall, love.
Close it, set in the
Nice one. Place the... Nalagay na boat?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, i-detonate ko ha. Tabi kayo dyan.
Love.
Akala ko clear na. Sorry lang. I'm sorry, I killed you. Teka, tahan niyo. I'm sorry, my love.
Abang.
Ilang seconds ka pa? 30. I-breach ko na. Eh, mayroon kasing jumper doon. So, kailangan ko kaagad ipasa.
Sabi niya, nakabalik na ba kayo? I-detonate ko na. Sabi ko, si Love!
Just stay down here.
Yeah. Casualty. My bad. Grabe, sadya ba to? Unahan na kita, pag buhay mo, patayin kita ulit. Imomoli mo pala ako eh. Mabuhay ka naman ah. Let's go.
Si Pips. Nagre-refill si Pips.
Buhay na ba tayo lahat?
Yeah, buhay na sila.
Meron din dito.
Adrenaline.
Compact shotgun. Adrenaline is kapag na-down ka, it's gonna give you a second life.
Oh, more healing.
Ayun.
Pero it takes the slot of
move it.
your medkit. So
Okay.
kailangan ng heal ni Yopi Pimps.
Eto.
Feel free to return.
Keep
Thank
moving up.
you.
I knew you wouldn't live. Boy, this is heavy.
Let's go.
Did you win? No? Not yet.
Up. Stuff. Molly. Or equipment refill. Ato may something doon, no? Ano to?
Heavy secondary.
Wow.
Get it.
Okay.
Mga bigger, stronger pistol.
I have a machine gun.
Not
Eh.
bad.
Okay. Mukhang defend dito sa labas.
Uh-oh.
We gotta close the gate. They're coming in.
We got to close the gate, so I'm gonna run towards the gate.
Your trash this in your yard?
Oh no!
I'm running towards the gate.
Aha.
I need defense.
Okay, I'm coming. We're coming.
Oh, nabigay.
Ay, si Pips!
Nabigay.
Nabigay!
All guns on the ball.
Alright,
Shooting the big guy kay Pimps.
Try that.
Got it. I got it. Hala, minomoli
Something
niya.
is here. I
Ano
can
yung
feel
sarili
it.
niya?
Take out this
Gagantihan sila. Reach. Oh! Baba daw tayo, baba.
Rest in
Tara,
peace.
baba na. Baba, baba, baba. Baba lahat.
Oo ka, ako.
Talon, talon. Tara, maglalagay ako dito. Daan kayo sa blue. Then left, towards me.
Magaling tayo dito
Where?
kanina.
Hindi, ito yung objective natin eh.
Found the breaker box. Gate should have power. I'm heading back up.
Ano ba to? Ayaw mamatay.
Fuck that.
Saan ka?
Sa taas.
Dito lang.
Oh my god, meron na din dito. Hala,
Just
from
go towards,
everywhere.
kung yung lahat ng reach puntahan nyo. Yung switch babalikan, pabalik na ako sa switch. Bali, nag-switch tayo, tapos umakyat ulit.
Oh my god, na-stuck ako. Ay, sorry.
Fucking gate, man. It's still open.
Akit ba?
Sinara ko na. Nasara yung gate?
Yes.
Sumara ba?
Go on to the inner walls.
Walls, inner walls. Ito ba yung inner walls? Are we
Ay,
in the inner
to.
walls?
Assemble sa loob uli.
Wala na akong ammo. Interact. And
Oh,
then,
may
may
random
ammo dun.
people.
May ammo sa left. Dito, oh. Ano to? Crate. Medkit.
High voltage.
Core.
Mayroon. Sige, loot kayo. Loot everywhere.
Charge dito.
Right here.
Okay, I got the breaching
Yeah,
charge.
Where the ammo?
Wala nga eh, actually. Kala ko. Ito, i-breach ko to. Baka may good stuff. 24 seconds pa, magbe-breach ako. Yes, love. Mag-breach na ako. Wala.
May malaking tao. Hindi pala to tao.
It's a boom!
Kita ko na.
Thank you. Deploy.
Lalagay ako ng turret dito.
Breaching this one.
Ayun, may be-breach na pala si Pimps dito lang. Baka may crossbow ka. Ito.
This will
May
cut
cross
some damage.
joke. Kala ko crossbow. Crossbow ba to? Hindi. May medkit lang. Marami ng guys. Pwede nang imoli yan, love.
They're fighting up. Hit them.
Ba? Dito sa may kay na marami rin.
Oh, sorry.
Uy! Gulat ako. Dines meron na sa taas. Sige, ikaw sa baba. Dito sa may sa amin, mayroong molly.
Kills it!
Oh no, wala na akong...
Throwing a loader! Has anyone heard of
Okay, mag-usap kayo. May bigay dito, ah.
May bigay?
Mag-coms.
They're fighting up.
Like, saan ba sila?
Can't
Oh.
see shit. Can't see shit.
Wala pa naman dito
Green
sa
shit.
may south.
Eliminate the wave
Nandito.
daw, oh.
Enemy. They keep coming. We can't hold this.
Use switch
Ignite
to
the-
ignite fuel. Ito, interact ko.
Pick up medkit.
Na-on ko na.
Sige, nice.
Today's a good day.
Wala na tayong breaching kit, no?
Wala
Oh,
na.
no!
Oh, ito
Inside
pala,
the
ang
bit.
dami sa baba.
May screamer.
Ano to?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Ang dami sa ano, north.
Overrun. Oh no. I need to heal.
Wala na akong bala.
Mayroong refill dyan. Get your refill. Dito. Naka-refill ka na, Dines?
Rest in
Saan yung
peace.
refill?
Dito
Ayun.
sa itatag ko.
Thank you.
Okay, ang dami pala dito.
Tambay lang ba tayo lang dapat dito? What's going on?
Yeah, I guess we have to beat the wave.
Wala na.
Take the flare gun. What the fuck is that?
Ito.
Pick
Take
up
the flare.
adrenaline.
Fire the flare gun into the air. Nag-flare gun ako into the air.
Ay, 9 down.
Okay, I'm getting you up. Oh, nag-airstrike. Kaya yung flare gun.
Big guy.
Where?
Where?
Ayun.
Okay.
Ay,
Oh,
Everybody okay?
I think we won.
I think so.
So, theoretically, I've been hiding a bottle of wine.
River of
Now
France.
would
It's
be
fun for
to
time.
Oo nga, no?
Absolutely.
In the machine room, hypothetically. Just leave your shoes outside.
O, diba?
yay.
First try.
Woohoo! Pwede nang mag-uwi.
Ay, ina siguro si Phil.
Tingnan natin yung ano.
Hard.
Tingnan natin kung 9 kills pa rin si Dines.
Hindi
Oh, 444, oh. Hi.
Kanina, 9.
Explorer, Headhunter. Dina, ikaw yung maraming headshots. 48. What the fuck? CS player. Anong baril mo?
Yung ano, sabi mo, assault something?
Naka full auto kang weapon?
Kanina, pero naging masarap nga yung isa, yung tug-tug-tug-tug.
Ayan, para sa ng weapon. Yung
Oo,
scout rifle, di ba?
oo, yun.
Yan. Favorite ko yan. Mas marami ka pang headshots kaysa akin, ha?
Tug-tug-tug. Uy! Ibang karakter. Pwede
Ay, di
na mag-iba.
Pwede naman talaga mag-iba.
Ah,
Bakit?
kanina ayaw eh.
Hindi mo pala choice yung character mo?
Oo, nakarandom ako.
What the heck? Alam mo walang choice? Punta lang si Elise
Wala.
bago ng character.
Teko ko.
Okay. Lo! Nakakita nun. Ha?
Magcha-chapter
Why
6 tayo.
not different? The fuck?
Hindi, pwede yan baguhin. Pero ang saya nung first time na may mission na yung may taga-flashlight.
Oh.
That was
Ano
fun.
na?
Naman
Uy.
natin may flashlight.
No, love. Cool. Wait, habang magkalikot muna kayo ng mga abilities ng class nyo, timpla lang ako ng kape.
Sige.
Unsilenced pistol will attack zombies. 15 shot damage increased by 100. Full charge. 15 kills. Nah.
Anong class mo, Dines? Medic? Actually, COP, yung drone niya medyo medic din naman eh.
Pero kailangan ng level ba
Nag-gunslinger
siya?
ata ako.
Anong level ba?
Yeah, medyo high. Pero yung medic kasing early level, hindi rin naman siya medic-y. Kasi parang konti lang din yung perks niya. So, I think okay si Dines mag-gunslinger. Tapos ako kasi, ang specialty ng class ko, anti-aggro tapos revive. Kaya ako, diba, ang hilig kong mag-revive. Pwede ako mag-chain revive. Kasi kada revive ko na re-replenish yung grenade ko na support. So, ang tinutukoy ko lang, between me and Pimps, enough support na. So, firepower ka na lang, Dines? Dinig ba ako?
Oo, okay.
Kung anong gusto mong class lang naman. Para hindi ka mapilitan
Gunslinger.
mag-heavy. Alright. Frag
Yung
grenade yan.
kailangan piliin na perk hanggang sa second row. Second column.
Yeah?
Tama? So, what do you think is good?
Oh shit, di ko kabisado yan. Pimps, yan yung pinaka wala pang nag-explore.
Yung healing
Sila,
niya, stun gun, is replaced by steam pistol. If player doesn't have temporary health, quadrocopter shoots them with steam pistol. Has 3 charges long.
Steam pistol is maganda pag you can pay attention to your allies kung who's getting swarmed. Pang ano siya, pang clutch save. So medyo mahirap din gamitin.
The rest magiging from 12 shots per full charge. Special zombie requires 5 shots. And
Shots.
magiging lethal siya 15 kills per full charge. Shot damage increased by 100. Firecracker.
Anong mga medyo di ko naintindihan yung drone mo yung babaril?
Parang yung default, yung stun niya, 12 shots per use siguro.
Aha.
Pero yung other thingy, pag naging pistol na siya, it's like 15 kills per full charge. What does 15 kills mean? Talagang antay niya mamatay? Para...
Hindi, I guess pag nakapatay ka, meron kasi mga ganun. 15 zombies, you get a recharge. Parang ganun. Ganun din ba? Opo, kung ganun din yung sa drone.
Or will it replace ba? Hindi nakalagay replace eh. Will be equipped with silence pistol. Does that mean replace the stun gun?
For some weapons, nakalagay replace. For some perks. Hindi ko lang sure sa drone.
Oh, so baka different.
You can try.
Sige. I'll
Back to
try
hard.
the grenade one for fun. For shenanigans.
Wait lang. Ano sabi mo, Laf? Yes,
Meron ditong quadrocopter will be equipped with frag grenade will drop on large groups of enemies. Okay ba yan?
Bomb? Parang drone. Bomb ba? Anong klaseng bomb?
Frag grenade.
Ayan, okay yan.
Okay. Okay.